What's up, guys? It's Biggie's Hobbies, and today I'm going to be doing an overview on this project that I've completed in about a week and a half, 2 weeks. So I picked up this sled from Facebook Marketplace for $250. Tried to start it when I got it home that night. Didn't start for a little bit. Took the engine apart and there was a hole in the piston, so I replaced both pistons. This is a 2-cylinder, 2-stroke 440 Polaris Indy, 1983. And yeah, let's painted the hood, wet sanded it, and then use some Sharpie on the decals and on the back. They were a little faded. Now they look good. Brake lights work, gauges work, everything works, everything looks good. I'll show you the inside after, but let's see if she starts. She's cold. I haven't started yet, just got home from work. So first you're gonna turn the key on. This is lights, I'm pretty sure, or something else. This one is my hand warmers, and this is my choke. Only goes full, or like half choke. Kill switch up. Let me move the skis back forward. Second. There we go. Alright. Give her a little pump. She's carbureted. Give her a little pump, you know. Fuck, I'm gonna move the ski this way. So I can get the handle. So the other day when I recorded a video, I broke the pole cord, so there's a new cord on it. See if she starts. Choke's on, keys on. Ooh, she was close right there. She wants to go. Alright, I'm gonna step off of this. I'll put you guys right here.